Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you how to make these crochet snowflakes. You can use it as a coaster or you can put it on a thread and use it as a garland. It's very easy, very fast. Let's get started. So I'm using cotton blend yarn. I bought it on Temu. It's really soft and squishy and it's nice. I like it. Let's start with magic green, and we need to make 6 double crochets in magic green and one single crochet, one chain between these double crochets. So we're making 1, 2, 3, 4 chain. Now double crochet, so it will count as 2 double crochets. 1 chain, 3, 1 chain, 4th double crochet, 1 chain, 5, 1 chain, and 6, 1 chain. Now pull this yarn to close and connect into the 1, 2, 3 into the third chain. What we have. So now we need to make 4 double crochets in each this hole that was made in previous round, and 2 double crochets in between. So we start with 1, 2, 3 chain. It will be like 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Now 2 chains. Again 1, 2, 3, and 4, 2 chains. And continue to the end of the round. I made the last 4 double crochets, and now I'm making 2 chains and connecting it into the third, 1, 2, 3, into the third chain in previous round. And this is the second round. And the third round will be the last one, so we need to make kind of these loops. How we will make it. So this is 5 chain, this is 7 chain, and this is 5 chain, and we will all connect it into this, see, into this holes that we have from the previous round. So here we will make slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 slip stitches above the double crochets. Now we're making chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we connecting it here with a single crochet like this. See, one is ready. Now we're making chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're connecting it to the same and now one more 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And into the same hole. See? And now again slip stitch. First double crochet 1 and 2, 3, and 4. 4 and again 5 chain, 1, 2, connecting it here. That's probably not single crochet, it's a slip stitch, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same. And 5 again. 5. One more. And continue the same to the end of the round. 4 slip stitches above the double crochets. So we have 1 left. You see, this is 4 double crochets, and this is 4 double crochets which was on the beginning of the round. So this is our chain, and here we need to do it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. make one chain, pull yarn, and your snowflake is done. It's ready. As I said, it's very simple, but it's so adorable, and it's nice addition to your Christmas ornaments. You can even put it on a Christmas tree, or you can use it as a coaster, like a cozy coaster for a Christmas table. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know in comments. Maybe you have other ideas how to use it. And thank you for watching. Bye.